Good morning, Mom.
Okay, before you will take your seat, kindly pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs. Arrange your chairs properly. And after that, you can take your seat. How are you today, class?
We're fine.
Well, that's good to hear that you're fine. By the way, I am Emily Mayapa, your English teacher for today. Class, who is your class secretary? Okay, Miss Jane, do they have an absentee today? Alright, very good. Since not, let's proceed to our lesson for today. But before that, I see the classroom rules. So, everybody read our classroom rules.
Sit properly. Avoid going in and out. Avoid talking with your seatmate. And raise your hand if you want to speak.
Alright, is the classroom rules are clear to you, class?
Yes, Mom.
Alright, I hope that these classroom rules will be followed so that we will have a smooth and successful discussion. Alright, so before we will dive into our discussion today, let's take a quick look back if you can still remember our past lesson. So I have here a back. So I will pick your name here in the back. So if your name will be picked, you will proceed here in front. So I will show a statement here. Statement here, then if your name will be picked, you will proceed and click your preferred answer to find out if your answer is correct. Okay, let's pick now. Okay, the lucky student is Kintapao. Can you proceed here in front and click your preferred answer? Very good. Your answer is correct. Give him a round of applause. Okay, everybody read.
Hello,
1 and 2, you will be the group 1. And then 1, 2, until this. So you will be the group 2 and group 3. So move your chairs now. Just give a space, a lot of space to identify the groups. Can you move there in the center? To identify the group. Class, I have also here a scoreboard. Okay, I also have here a scoreboard to identify which group performed well. Okay, I also prepare a flag for everyone. So, group 1, you represent the US flag. For the group 2, the India flag. And for the group 3, the China flag. Okay, last one. I will show a statement here on screen. And then, you will identify if the statement is it is an opinion or a critique. So you only have two choices. If you think that the statement is opinion, then you will answer opinion or a critique. Whoever, quiet class, whoever raise the flag first, so you will gain a star. So the star is equivalent for 5 points. Will raise your flag. Can you move here so I can identify your flag? What is that? In 1, 2, 3. What do you say? Is it an opinion or critique? Okay, your answer is Okay, number 3. And number 4 rather. In 1, 2, 3, up! Coming to the group. Five. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's find out. Okay, let's find if your answer is correct. Now, class, based from the given activity, a statement that is an opinion and a statement that is a critic, what do you think is our lesson for today? Yeah? What? Can you stand? Another idea. Another idea. Pretty and okay, class. Our topic for today is all about compose independent critic of the chosen selection. But before we proceed to our proper discussion today, everybody read our object notes for us to be guided as we go on to our discussion. Everybody read.
At the end of the lesson, at least 80% of the students are expected to identify the key parts of a literary critic, construct a well-organized critic from a short story, appreciate the importance of critiquing in our daily lives.
Class, do you want me to help achieve this objectives?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just give me 3 claps and a big yes.
Yes.
Okay, now class, critic is derived from the word criticism. So criticism, it is a judgment or a comment to something which you think you give your opinion to literary works. And the word selection, we are referring to a literary piece or a story that a story or a literary selection. So today we are going to tackle about, or we will target in to compose an independent you can ask yourself, is the color of this dress suited for me? So is the style is okay? So another one is do I look good when I wear makeup? Is there something wrong with my personality? So that's already formed out. Okay. So who can give me an example? I will give points. In our daily life, or for example, maybe in choosing a friend. Can you ask about yourself?
Malinas, ma'am. Last year.
Some, for example, in choosing a friend, so what might you ask yourself why you choose that friend? I will call someone. Okay? Okay, very good. So, that is already form of so I give group 3 another okay, everybody read.
At the beginning of aims to study, discuss, evaluate, and interpret literary works. A critic would be a critical essay, an article evaluating a literary piece, or an overview.
So a critic, it is a critical, it is a critical to that aims to study, evaluate, and or can give a careful judgment to a something or to a literary work. Today class, I am going to teach you on how to compose a critical essay. Since a critical could be an article relating a literary piece or an overview, so this time I am going to teach you a critical essay. So maybe you are wondering why we need to critique a work. So why do we need to critique a literary work is to know its overall value. So so through writing a critique, you can express to your fellow readers, to your families, why do we need to predict the importance of the story or it is worth to read, the content has value, or the story that teaches us a meaningful lesson. So another one is to determine its strengths and weaknesses. So and critiquing a literary work, it's also important to critique a literary work. Although the critic it is a negative work, but it's not only focused on negativity or the weaknesses, but it also appreciates the beauty, the strength, and the capacity of a literary work. This time class, I am going to task you and doing a critical essay. But before that, let's know the parts of a critic in writing a critical essay. So parts of a critique. And your introduction. There are 4 parts of your critique. So first is the introduction. Second is summary, analysis, and the conclusion. So in your introduction, you have to state the title of the work and the author's name. So in your introduction, this is where you will write the title of the story and then the author's name, and then outline main ideas and identify the author's thesis. So you also include what the authors wants to emphasize and why it was written. So which part of a critique that is the story of
Bit ng time.
Maria Evelyn Cruz. So number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. First is the introduction, the summary, and story number 1. What is your answer? Conclusion. And number 2, how about number 2? Let's find out. And number 3. How about number 4? Find out if you got the answer. Did you get? Okay, you got the correct answer. So today class, I am going to have an activity at the same group. So I have here a literary piece. So all the group will receive the same literary piece. Okay. Alright, so all the groups will receive same literary piece. So the group 1 will create you will create the introduction, and then the group 2 you will create the summary, and group 3 is the analysis and the conclusion. Okay, class, so together with this is the rubrics. So did you get your what you are going to do? Alright, this is for the group 1. This is for the group 2. This is for the group 1. Class, I will give you only 3 minutes. Okay, class, if you are confused who is the author in the I just said if you cannot say the author there,
Calling the attention of all SSB officers. Please see your advisor here at the Science Laboratory. Again, calling the attention of all SSB officers. Please see your advisor here at the Science Laboratory right
Start
now.
from the group 1. So you have to be good morning, everyone. So our assigned task is to compose a introduction about the story.
Calling the attention of Elsa Loco, Elsa Loco of Grade 9 Archimedes.
Please
Senior Advisor here at the Science Laboratory right now. Andyan na po.
It emphasizes seeking out compassion and creating meaningful connections. So, Union Author is like unknown authors. As you can see from the story provided, it didn't provide any author. So, we just wrote there Union Author or like a author. Okay, just give a round of applause from the group one. I am the representative of the group 2. Our task for this 3 big claps. And for an additional point, for the group. Next, how does the critic help you to make a wiser decision in choosing a friend? Here in the group though, I give chance to. So, how does critic helps you to make a wiser decision in choosing a friend?
Critic can be helpful in choosing a friend because critic can help us what we really want, what we really want in a friend, what qualities we need in choosing a friend, and if by critiquing we can decide if we can get along with that person.
Yes, very good. Through critiquing, it helps you in choosing a friend too. So, to choose a